Mark from the Energy Quarter has a question about attic insulation.
Well, yeah, he had a contractor add R38 insulation over his previous inadequate insulation. Okay, so Mark writes, I purchased unfaced insulation, and rather than lay it perpendicular to the existing insulation, the contractor added the bats along the top of the old insulation, leaving the floor joists exposed. And I want to know, have I lost a significant insulation value to these exposed joists, and is it worth it to have the insulation reinstalled so it's perpendicular? What are your thoughts from Mark?
No, he did it right. That your ceiling joist,
right,
between the insulation it's probably a 2x8. I doubt it's as small as a 2x6. That's almost 8 full inches of solid wood. It's an insulator. It's just the bottom line. It doesn't transfer heat, so it probably has a higher R value than the R38. So leave it alone. He did it right because you want it to be packed down on the other one. You don't want to have air gaps in between if it's going the other way.
Oh yeah, because then if the other one compacted, it would leave a gap.
Yeah, it's going to start doing weird things. And this way, if you go up in your attic, you'll see where the joists are if you're walking around.
And that's pretty handy, unless you want to contact Rudy, our Home Show Pro, who can fix holes where your foot goes through the
been done
ceiling.
in my house. Yes.
It's been done in everybody's house sooner or later.
Yeah, really. But no, it's fine. I just leave it alone. He did a good job.
He done good.
Yes.
All right, you got a question? We'd be happy to help you out, too. Just go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on the Ask Tom button. You fill it out, you send it in,
Ding.
we'll answer it, just like this one.